was said to our Prime Minister on a personal level. To be called the P word in this day and age is completely unacceptable.
सर केयर स्टामर के मुकाबले में जो कंजर्वेटिव पार्टी की तरफ से जो एक कैंडिडेट खड़ी हैं, जो उनको जो सेंट्रल लंदन की सीट पर टफ टाइम दे रही हैं, वो ब्रिटिश पाकिस्तानी हैं, ब्रिटिश पाकिस्तानी लॉयर हैं, बैरिस्टर महरीन मलिक के मामू वसीम सजाद सेनेट ऑफ पाकिस्तान के चेयरमैन रह चुके हैं। उसके अलावा मुख्तलिफ हाई ऑफिस में रह चुके हैं और महरीन के वालिद शाहिद मलिक पाकिस्तान के हाई कमिश्नर रह चुके हैं इंडिया में एक ऐसे ज़माने में जब इंडिया पाकिस्तान के रिलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा वॉलेटाइल हो चुके थे, जब बाबरी मस्जिद का वाक़या पेश आया था और ख़ास तौर पर जब मुंबई अटैक्स हुए थे उस वक्त।
It's about time they know. They should know. I'm very excited to do this seat. I think it's probably a very challenging seat to do, but I'm ready to fight him and put up a fight against him. I think that it's not time for a Labour. I don't think we're ready for. We shouldn't have a Labour government. Right? We should not have a Labour government. I think giving a vote for Keir Starmer is giving him a blank check. From taxes to VATs on private schools, all the way to your retirement tax. So this is not.
आपने ये वाली जो सीट है कियर स्टामर वाली सीट, आपने इस सीट को क्यों चूज़ किया? यहाँ चूँकि आपके अगेंस्ट तो पूरी लेबर मशीन है, उनके पास तो इस वक्त thousands of volunteers भी हैं।
I'm on the ground and I think that's very much appreciated because I'm knocking on doors, I'm handing out leaflets, I'm speaking to the constituents and I'm talking to them about the issues that matter to them, and I don't think he's doing that. For me, I want to be their voice in Westminster, not the other way around. Also, it's a very emotional and humbling moment for me because the first place I ever lived when I moved to this amazing country was right around the corner in London House, in Mecklenburgh Square, in this area. So for me, it's a very full circle moment to be able to come back here and be able to represent the people of this area.
फैमिली का क्या रिएक्शन था आपका?
I think there were two reactions. One was a lot of pride, which was lovely. Also a lot of, you're very brave for doing this. So I think, that's essentially what it is. It's a challenging seat. It's a very exciting seat. I'm humbled to have gotten it, to be selected to do it. And yes, but it's a tough one. It's a tough one, but I really hope to make my family proud and the constituents proud and the people of Pakistan proud.
प्रोफाइल बिल्डिंग के लिए तो ये बहुत अच्छा है कि ये तो हिस्ट्री में आपने नाम तो बना लिया है ना कि कियर स्टामर को आपने चैलेंज किया था यहाँ से।
Well, firstly, I don't think the people here even know what he stands for. I think he's so unclear. We still don't know what he stands for and what's going to happen under a Labour government. We already know that voting for a Labour government is essentially giving a blank check to them. They are going to raise taxes from school fees, private school fees, all the way up to retirement tax. And I just don't think the country, I don't think Keir Starmer is the right person to lead our country for a very long time. So I understand the economy, I understand how the economy works, I understand finance. But I work in green finance as well, so I know how sustainability works. I do work from charitable volunteering to community giving to just pro bono work. And we do everything from the cost of living crisis to knife crime, to work around refugee rights. To violence against women, to education for women. So it's a for the Alzheimer's side. So it's a huge ambit of the work that we do. Very upsetting for me to hear, what was said to our Prime Minister on a personal level. To be called the P word in this day and age is completely unacceptable. It's absolutely unacceptable to hear that, to have someone say that to him. I think it's hurtful language, it's divisive language, it's politics of hate that should have no place in this country. And even, what Keir Starmer said about the Bangladeshi constituents. I think it's alienating and I think it's divisive and we have no place for that in this country.
बहुत सारी जो मुस्लिम ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, पाकिस्तानी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, उनकी एक कंप्लेंट ये है कि जो टोरी पार्टी है, कंजर्वेटिव पार्टी है, उन्होंने उनके साथ अच्छे तरीके से एंगेज नहीं किया पिछले।
Listed and picked for this particular constituency, I think it's a wonderful nod to the democratic process that happens in this country. I think it's a fair process. I think it's a democratic process, and I think I've had it's been a very welcoming and supportive environment for me in the Tory party, and I think they are very open to the Pakistani diaspora and to the Muslim community. And I think, but there's always room for more. And I would like to help herald that change.